you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Fabrice. Thank you, Francois. Good afternoon, everyone. What a great honor it is here to be in Munich and to introduce you to the new Renault Clio full hybrid e-tech. With this 6th generation, we have embarked on a daring challenge to elevate it, to achieve a true stylistic shift, to make it even more desirable, expressive, and more dynamic. In a nutshell, to turn a hero into a superhero. And a superhero, as you know, has superpowers. The new Clio is super emotional, super tech, and super powered. It is with this vision that we embark on this new chapter. To spark of love at first sight and make Clio the most desirable model in its segment while remaining the reference. New Clio fully embodies Renault's new wave styling, sharp but sensual, but it still goes further, driving this design language beyond its frontiers. And it's unmistakably daring. It all starts with the stunning, charismatic front face. The long hood is emphasized by character lines that push the grille forward. Muscular, powerful, the front end frames a piercing magnetic gaze. With its extreme design, pure lines, and bold sculpted silhouette full of tension, it reinvents the segment's codes and asserts a powerful personality. Its fluid curves, alternating hollowed and convex surfaces, come to life thanks to precise tension lines that capture light and inject a certain nervousness and dynamism into the silhouette. The body is almost liquid and in motion, and it seems to flow around ultra-tech elements. It creates an audacious harmony between sculpted form and, on the other side, meticulously crafted technical elements. The interior design will capture you as much as the exterior. We have designed a generally spacious and comfortable environment, modern, technical, intensely emotional. The interior forms create a connection with the exterior, while sophisticated and sometimes unexpected details have been crafted as unique elements. Take the dashboard, for example. It's wrapped in gradient technical fabric from dark to light, and it envelops the passengers in a refined comfort. Ambient lighting flows seamlessly into the doors, culminating in a crystal-like luminous detail. The seats amplify this dynamic driving posture with their enveloping lateral support, while exclusive graphic finishes create a perfect balance between performance and sophistication. In the Esprit Alpine version, this sporty character is even enhanced. Some details take on an exclusive and nearly artistic dimension, such as the spectral titanium trim that sublimates the interior like a jewel. Finally, I am proud to announce that in the Esprit Alpine version, Clio is the first vehicle in the Renault range to reach 33.7% of materials with a controlled environmental impact, demonstrating our commitment to a more sustainable future. So to resume, a magnetic and striking gaze, fluid curves, an athletic aspect, a modern, technical, and intensely emotional living space. As you will have understood by now, the new Renault Clio has everything it takes to spark love at first sight. I'm confident that you too will fall in love with the new Clio. So, Delphine, Bruno, tell us more about the future and the features, and thank you all for your attention.
Hello, so I'm delighted to be here today with Delphine, because I joined Renault before the first Clio back in the very late 80s. I've seen every single generation come and go, and I can assure you this car has changed Renault's history. Each generation brought something special in design, in powertrain, and in technology. It pushed the entire category forward. As you can see, we have all the ingredients to give Clio a super power boost, a real shot of energy. The first shot of energy is linked to our huge design shift. But the second shot of energy, it's our full hybrid E-Tech 160 horsepower engine. It's the ultimate combination of efficiency and driving pleasure. It even outperforms our latest full hybrid E-Tech 145. It represents an additional 15 horsepower and 22 Newton meters of torque. It's also better in terms of both emissions and consumptions. It offers, with a driving range of up to 1,000 kilometers, a fuel consumption of 3.9 liters for 100 kilometers. And it emits only 89 grams of CO2 per kilometer, setting a new benchmark in its category. Alongside our full hybrid E-Tech engine, the TCE 115 is a well-balanced engine offering an increased power and torque. The EcoG 120 is an LPG-compatible engine with an EDC automatic gearbox. It is versatile, cost-effective, and eco-friendly alternative. It is ideal for drivers seeking lower running costs, but without compromising comfort and providing a driving range of up to 1,450 kilometers. The EDC is Renault's new generation of dual clutch, automatic gearbox, efficient, smooth, and responsive. In the end, this lineup represents a major leap forward and a real game changer on the market for our customers. Delphine, I'll hand over to you to present the third superpower of Clio 6.
Good afternoon, everyone. Alongside its coup-de-cœur design and its new full hybrid engine, Clio 6 also gains a third superpower through its technology. Connectivity is clearly one of the assets of Clio 6. OpenRLink, with Google built-in, delivers seamless connectivity. For example, with Google Assistant, no more typing on the screen, just speak. Very convenient and much safer when you're driving. And if you are using Google Maps, the map updates automatically and shows you real-time traffic conditions. Also, while you're driving or taking a break, you can access Google Play Store, more than 100 apps, including new applications such as Prime Video and HBO Max. The system is as intuitive and responsive as a smartphone today, offering a fluid user experience. When it comes to driving aids, new Clio is also moving ahead strongly. It's a truly versatile car, designed with all the right features for every kind of use, from dense city traffic to long motorway journeys. Featuring up to 29 driving aids coming from higher-end segments, new Clio delivers cutting-edge safety and convenience. We are very proud to offer as standard adaptive cruise control and an electric parking brake. Clio is also particularly well-suited to urban environments where maneuverability and intelligent assistance systems are essential. Take, for example, automatic rear emergency braking and the occupant safe exit system, a particularly innovative feature. These equipments are not just gadgets. They are useful from day to day while also enhancing safety. They are an essential pillar of our Human First program, our commitment to putting people and protection at the heart of every Renault. But new Renault Clio is much more than a recipe combining these three superpowers of design, hybrid powertrain, and connectivity. It's also about new sensations, new dimensions, and an enhanced driving experience. New Clio maintains an excellent level of roominess, including a generous boot capacity with a lower load ceiling. It also has a sporty feeling with a new driver cockpit fitted with a smaller and more agile steering wheel borrowed from our C&D segment models and beautiful redesigned seats. At the same time, wider tracks and 18-inch wheels contribute to improved handling and road presence. Bruno, what would you like to add as a conclusion?
New Clio, our super-powered hatchback, redefines the standards of its class. Engineered for global appeal, it maximizes market coverage, and it delivers a truly versatile driving experience. Even more than ever, New Clio embodies its original promise of being a small car that plays in the major leagues. And today, more than ever, it truly deserves to be called Clio, the small car that has all the characteristics of a grown-up. Elle a tout d'une grande. Thank you all.